The All-Party Hills Leaders Conference has expressed their strong opposition to the peace accord on Monday morning at 11:30 in Dokmoka. The protest rally was carried out from its office and culminated at AGVB, during which the regional party members also displayed black flag to show their vehement oppositions to the peace accord. APHLC Howraghat LA President Suren Kramsa, General Secretary Robi Singh Ronghang and Mahamaya Constituency Committee President Mongol Singh Teron led the protest program. During the protest, the regional party expressed their strong opposition to Clause 2.3 of the peace accord, under which 10 seats of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council was kept for open category, which the party is the dilution of the powers of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. While talking to local media, the regional party said that the peace accord, which was signed by PDCKA, KPLT, KLNLF and UPLA with the central government on September 4, 2021, is not unacceptable, stating that it is a death knell for the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India.
Pini nilitum kache song ponang koke non hedjong Karbi Anglong risim kangtang keot asong atum dilhi rong supi dam pen alang litum pisekot kache tok dam la so pisekot kache tok dam along Karbi khai mati Karbi Anglong ria phan ke parvi je angring the tan lo la so ang deng sa alang litum kache tok pon la se pini nilitum APHLC asong pen patir pi pon silap Piki ka bangke nilitum ning ke oi mate ning hon du ka chepak lang pon la se nilitum bangso apise koda long ke nilitum chedon nu thek thek la pe nilitum ke kham khe verji kham khe thipji la se nilitum langdam no nang dak siksidul la long ri ke ria bison pala mase avelo siksidul nilitum Karbi Anglong la pen ensil ke inglong a so long ri lo pose ria bison palam se avelo la ke inglong a so farman la dake apochi la dake komane pham ria bison nai komane pham thak nai pala mase avelo la dake only for siksidul area tribal amuni da phangsi tribal akhai phangsi la dake panong pichon nilitum phak la so joine sipini nilitum che song ponang konglo la se non la risim kiot kang tang ka che song tum alang litum hem ri tibi kok pen poana ning kana lang litum ka che song pini ka che song ali ke hola ke che aso tum phanse ali pipi rong lo litum khai phan ke ali abi desi ke che aso phanse ali do rong lo la si la dak seat gap open for all tu la so ka che tok dam aphan chot ke helikaman ti ot elitum helikaman pen che song se de ta chok la pen ha dil hi rong su pi dam de ta chok ke
non ke dam tang pen kli ai kia ni he ta so otan hala lamdon de kitab ta so lamdon de kitab long ni tu ni sam sipi hala pasun se to se so sam sipi di aphan si bang ke sit kep mane long ke ban he de so konsensi bang phan de ja som ke la bang te ni tu long ke sit dulia ke la ke bang phan de ja pe kon ki ke la ga on ma se di la si le di la sa na ka si ate la bang so alam to ti tok yang ko kan ke tu ri ri kan ma se ni ke tak me modern dam ki tu de se ki tu de bang so me modern dam ma ke son he ke don't see risim kang kang so da tu bang don ti tok ki tu de te most welcome no la se hala bang sa ke olom schedule mate he di constitution arkan ki tin pensi itok ko pulute ritim ke biarong par
Samson Ingtis report from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live.